Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome back to Christmas Chaosmas. I know, what a crazy name. But today we are going to start our first episode of Duckmas. Yes, it's going to be a Dooney Bourke unboxing. I am going to have a brooch of the day. We are going to have an advent calendar, and we're going to open at least one, maybe two boxes. Depends on how long-winded I get. So if you're in for all of that and you're ready for this chaotic ride, then come on back and let's get started before it gets too late. All right, Bean Beauties. Yes, it's Duckmas today. I decided that I needed to concentrate on a little bit of unboxings of my Doonies, and we're going to start off with a, what did the kids say now? A banger. I know the first time when they said that, I heard that, I was like, what is that? What is a banger? So here is the brooch of the day. This is a Santa Claus, and it's going to go with my Santa Claus theme little gnomes here. And this shirt I've had for a long time, y'all, and um, I've lost a lot of weight. It's like really big on me now, but I don't want to give it away. I want to give it away now. Give it away now. I'm in a crazy mood. Okay, so we're gonna put this on. I'll try to zoom in. And like I said, it's of the video of the day of the unboxings. It's the end of the day. I had a long day, had a doctor's appointment today, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do anything much past this one video, but we will see. It's still early in y'all's world. It's 9 p.m. in y'all's world, but it's late on ours. It's 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, almost 2.5 hours, almost approaching the witching hour for my husband and I. I usually just go to bed, take a nap, and then wake up about 2 or 3 in the morning. Enough chit chat. Enough chit chat. Okay, let's get the first Dooney bag. We're gonna go big. Go big or go home. That's my motto. So here is the bag. I purchased this on eBay. Oh, y'all. I hope this is the right one. the seller had put it in a box, and then they put this trash bag around it, and it's also in the dust bag. It was raining and stuff when they sent it, so the box did get wet. So I opened the box right away, and they had a note on there saying that the outer bag was protection. So I was really glad because the box was pretty soaked, but the inside contents were fine. So thank you very much, seller. I definitely am going to, or did put, actually give them some positive feedback. And this is what the bag is. Okay. So, ooh, she's so birdie. Ready? Ready? You're not ready for this. No, maybe we won't do this. Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Look at her. It's my Retro Graffica, Retro Embossed Graffica. And it is a satchel, the dome satchel. She is beautiful. Look at that. The front, the side, the back, the other side, the bottom. She's got feet. She's a big baby. I want to say that this is a Darcy. I'm not sure. I'm looking on my eBay things. It doesn't say, but I do have a Darcy and denim that she looks similar, very similar to it. So if you know out there, you Dooney lovers, let me know. But I love this embossing. I really have been looking for something red for a long time. I just hadn't been able to find it. So this is the perfect bag for me, because it is slightly, it's the shape that I like. And she's a little bit big, but she's not very heavy, so I'm okay with her. And you know what? I might be able to carry her this Christmas. So that was why I wanted to start with her. Let's see what she's like on the inside. Hold on a second. Okay, so let's look inside the bag. Oh, she does have gold hardware, the beautiful Dooney hardware. The hardware is in good condition. She's a little bit kind of not tarnished, but you can tell where the hands have been over them and stuff. So I might be able to clean that up. We'll see. The um, the hardware looks good. The zipper, of course, is wonderful. Here's what she looks like on the inside. Ah, she does have a strap. She looks short though. Let's see if there's any more in there. Oh, here's a note. Um, Enjoy such a special bag. Yes, it is a special bag. It just says, thank you for your order. When you support a small business, you are supporting a dream. Oh, she doesn't have the name of the business on there. Otherwise, I would tell y'all. But here is some stuffing. It smells good. It smells like she washed it out. There is the inside. It has the typical Dooney setup. It has the zipper pocket back here. Let's see if there's anything in there. Very clean. It has a slip pocket here. It has on the front two pockets, one bigger one here and one smaller one here. I believe my cell phone will fit in here. Let's see. My cell phone happens to be here. Is she prepared? She's actually prepared. So it'll fit up and down. It won't fit sideways to the front, but it will fit sideways on the back right here. And of course, in the zipper. There's no outside pockets. Okay, I paused it a little bit so that I could restuff her. She still needs a little bit more stuffing. She didn't quite have enough for my liking because I like them to keep their shape and I don't want them to sag down because the leather is very soft, especially when it's an older Dooney. I think that we might be missing some part of the strap. I'm wondering if this is supposed to be meant a three-piece strap because this is kind of short. Dooney normally, but of course this is an older Dooney, so I don't know. So this is just a shoulder bag. It won't make it a crossbody. Is it on the last setting? It is. So that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. So I think that there was a third part to this that is missing to make this a crossbody. But I could put a lot of chains on here, or I could just wear a top handle. This is like a top handle bag. I have the extra here if I need it to be hands free if I'm somewhere. But since I'm in my healthy period, I could definitely use this and not be bothered too much by not having a crossbody strap. I ain't gonna worry about it right now. I just want to show you the bag. Look at that. She's so beautiful. It's in great condition. Wonderful, wonderful condition. Oh, I was supposed to tattletale on myself. Okay, let's see. When did I order this? Let's see. Any guesses? Put it down in the comment box. Ah, it's still in 2025. April the 16th is when I ordered this. But hey, we're in 2025, y'all. That's good for me. So, but back in April. It's only 8 months later. That's good for me. All right, let's get the next thing. All right, I am going to go with the second Dooney. In case you're wondering, I'm having 12 days of Duckmas, 12 days of Coachmas, 12 days of miscellaneousness. And will it all be 1 week at a time? I don't know. Will we get it all done in the month of December? I don't know. So here it is. It's a Tinkerbell. I don't normally buy their Disney products. It's just because they're very high priced. And I'm like, I'm not Disney crazy. But this was, like brand new. It had the tags on it. And it has original stuffing. And look at the inside. Oh my gosh. So here is what it looks like on the inside. So I thought that was very unique that it had that inside. So I'm going to try to sneakily see if my daughter still likes Tinkerbell, like enough to give her a wristlet, like it's something that she could wear or she would wear or use. It's black on this side. It has a Dooney thing on there. She likes to use wristlets, and this will fit her phone, so I think that might be something that would be cute for her. But I wanted to open it so I can have it as an option to give as a Christmas gift to her. So we will see if she gets it or if it stays in my closet. Yeah, I keep it and I use it. I like that inside, and I like how it says never grow up. And I don't ever grow up. I don't believe in growing it. Okay, I am a very responsible person, but you know. All right, let's head over to the advent calendar. We got a new one this week. Welcome back, Bean Beauties. It's advent calendar time. I did my own DIY advent calendar for Bath and Body Works, and I put it in this bag. What else? It's a Dooney little tote bag, and I just happened to put it in there. I didn't know what was going to go to what, you know, which collection, which advent calendar was going to go to what collection. This is actually a Coach leather charm that's in a duck, so I had to buy it, and I put it on her, and she's just been living there, So let's get in here and see what I need. This is why I wanted to start with this one for this collection. So I do have, like, there's 2 possible 1-day options. Okay, I bought all the stuff myself, and then I put them in little bags, and there's no labeling, no numbers, except for, like, there's 2 of these bigger ones that are for day 1 that I had a possibility of, so I don't know which one this is. Ta-da! It's a little Mr. Bear. So now I have something that I can use for these. I'm blaming these on Kim from La Vida with Kim. I'm blaming these on Savannah from Savannah Mills. And I'm blaming these on Mo from Mo Knows Beauty. All 3 of them always have the cutest little, what are these called? Sack pockets? I don't know. But they're for this. So I don't even know how to use it. Put it in upside down. Yeah, okay. They always have the cutest thing. All right, my hands aren't working very well. I don't know how. Whoa. I don't know how. Whoa. How far are you supposed to go? And then they hang, and it's there. So I love to have my hand sanitizer on the outside of my bags. This is perfect. They had a big old sale. I don't know what the sale was for. When they have those sales where these are like hardly any money, $1.75 or something like that, and these were $2.99 or something. So I hit it just right. I wrote a note to myself. So I ordered these back September 10th of 2025 at 12 o'clock a.m. It says, "Hi, Dee Dee, happy advent calendar for 2025. Enjoy." And I am. All right, I like to write myself little notes like that so that I remember what year, what date, what I was doing, why I was doing it. But this is our first advent calendar from Bath and Body Works, my DIY, and I get to use her right away. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for Christmas Chaosmas. Christmas Chaos? Chaotic Christmas? I don't know. Thanks so much for being here and sticking it out with me. I hope that you're going to enjoy this Duckmas series. This is episode 1, and we have lots more to go. Will I be too tired? I don't know. All right, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.